Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm gonna open up all the gifts that I got at my grad party. So I just want to make a video because I was like, oh, this would be a super fun idea because I got a lot of gifts and it's like, oh, fun opening them. So I was really excited when I got all the ones that I got. So first things, I got this from one of my friends and this bouquet, which is really pretty. And I'm just going with it first because, is it bouquet? Is that how you say it? I don't know. But I can actually see what the gift is. So I'm gonna definitely put this in a, like, vase. So I also got this Ferrero Rocher, which I might give this to the person I did the party with, my best friend Shanika. Because low-key, I don't really like them that much. Sorry, whoever gave this to me. I think they told me. Also got these. I'm just not a big chocolate person, so maybe I should have said that, but it's okay. Okay, now let's get on. Oh, there's another Starbucks gift card, which actually I don't even know who this is for. We just found it. So I just took, oh. It's not for me actually. It's for my friend. Let me give it to her. Okay. I'll put that in the pile over here. This is the pile for everything I've opened. So we're gonna go small to big because what are you doing? Like if you're not doing that, because like you have to create the suspense for the end. So okay, let's open. This one's already open. It's a card. Oh my god, long message. I love this. Maybe, okay. No gift though. Side eye. Or maybe it fell out because it wasn't closed. It's okay. This is a fancy envelope. The card says, congrats. It's a cute card. Oh, $15 Starbucks gift card, I see. Actually, I always save all my cards, so let me just take everything out of the envelope and put that in a separate pile. Because I keep all my cards from literally all my birthdays ever in one place in my room. Okay, this is another one for me. This is a card too, but you know what? I mean, some people probably didn't even get cards. So, effort is effort, of course. Low-key, it kind of grosses me out when the cards are sticking down. I don't know if like people actually like use their spit or their tongue, which I always, because for all my grad parties I gave envelopes like this, but I would use water just like from the sink. But yeah, this is cute. Oh my god. Gift card that says, you go girl. This is so cute. I don't know how much money is in it, but it's Target, so I'll just spend it, like, oh, $20. This is really funny. I'm just grabbing random ones. I feel like the lighting is getting bad in here. Should I turn on the light? Actually, it's a little better. Okay. Maybe I should have FaceTimed my friends instead of FaceTiming you guys by... This is really sweet. Oh, this one's cute. Oh, it's for my bestie. Oh, this is long. Oh, she got me a gift. Oh my god, wait, I know what it is. I really wanted it. That's really sweet. Okay. I guess some of the gifts that people were intending to give to me were like not here yet. Low-key, I'm having trouble reading her handwriting. And it's not because it's like messy. Some people just write in a font that's like hard for me to read. Maybe I'm just like not used to the type of writing. I don't know. Okay. Next card. This is sweet. Okay. I'm excited for the big bags, obviously. Okay, that one's gonna be a little harder to open because it has a little seal, but it's cute. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't even know who did this. It has no, oh, it does have a name. Oh my god. This is so cute. I love this. It's like a flower card. I don't know if that's any better. And $11. That is so random. I love that though. Okay, I should have counted, but it's okay. Oh my god, my friend gave me like a packet. Like a Chinese one. This is really sweet. No way. $50? I love that. Okay, I actually keep all my money inside one of these, but I might change it to this one because it's a different color, pink, and it's newer. Next one. Who is this from? Oh, my friend that gave me flowers. Damn! $25 Sephora gift card. She knows me well. You just scratch his card. Okay, let me just keep this because I don't want to lose the amount. I love my friends, guys. Oh my god, I have such good friends. I was thinking that the entire time at the party, that like, I just realized like my friends are so good because they're all chatting with each other, and it's like this kind of vibe where it's like, I feel like anyone can just like talk to each other and hit each other up, and it's not weird, and like people are meeting new people, making new friends, and like I just love that. Same thing with Shanika's friends who were us also at the party. It was just such a cool vibe. I loved it. Okay. This one is such a cute card. I should have shown you guys all the cards. Target gift card. Oh, this is sweet. How much? I sound so materialistic, like god. Okay, I literally don't know the price, but it's okay. I've been getting so many Target gift cards, guys. It's okay. This is cute though. Cute cards, guys. Okay, let me separate. What am I doing? Separate the money and the cards. Okay. We're getting there. This is already 10 minutes long, but I'm gonna cut out the parts where I read the cards. Oh my god. Oh! Did I get myself a paper cut? Sound looks like that. Okay, I'm not bleeding, so it's fine. But low-key, I kind of felt it. Okay, whatever. If I start bleeding later, it's okay. I'll just... Okay. Amazon gift card. $25. I love this. Guys, this is like your inspo for grad party like gifts. Like I hopefully this is helpful. Not that that's what I intended it to be, but oh, I'm so bad. Like this is why I don't keep the envelopes, because I cannot open them cleanly. Oh, this one is so cute on the inside. It's gold. Maybe I'll keep this one, but probably not because I ripped it. This is a very simple gift, but it's a $25 gift card, and I dig it. It's literally, wait, congratulations is the message. It's kind of funny though. Okay, next. Thank you, next. Oh, who's this from? Oh, it doesn't say. Oh my god, I love her. $20. Okay, I'm gonna save that card for last because it's the fanciest one. It has a full seal. Okay. This is really sweet. Oh my god. Who is this? 40. Wow, I love her. Her handwriting is so legible too. It's not that the hard to read handwriting is like annoying. It's just like my brain hurts a little bit when I try to read it. So this is like a nice, yeah. Maybe I should send messages back to these people. Oh, I removed the gifts from the gift card, so I don't know. You know, I can go back, but that would be so hard. Like, it's honestly not that deep. This is so sweet. Oh, is my laptop dying? It is. This is really sweet. Last card. The one with the fancy seal. Oh, this is also a pretty fancy card. They wrote me a check. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh my god, that brought back a memory. This is so sweet. Anyway. Okay, now that we're done with those, let's get on to the bags. So this first one is kind of skinny, so that's how I'm opening it first. $15 Starbucks? Wow. Okay, I hate doing this because it's like, I'm gonna forget who... It's okay. This is cute. This is sweet. Maybe I'll keep the bags. I'll keep them in the bags because I shouldn't have separated them. Why did I do that? I guess it makes it easier for me, but at the same time it's like Whatever. Oh, this is so. Okay. Oh, this is so sweet. But let me do this first. It said I just saw a little. Oh, I already did this one. Okay. This part 2 of your gift is coming soon. Oh my god, I see a lot of writing. This is such a sweet message. Wow, cute card too. Okay. Okay. No, this goes here. Okay. Oh, I love the wrapping paper. This is big. Oh my god, this is so sweet. It's a picture of me and Jaya and Mia. That's the name of the person that gave me this gift. And the cello section on the other side. This is really cute. I love that. In my room. Wow. So, one gift. That's a really like meaningful. Oh my god, I saw this. Thank you to the person that gave me K18. Okay, because this is on my list and I really wanted it. Okay, wait, what if I stop separating them? We have to go big to small. Small to big. Let me just throw the wrapping paper over there. This is cute. Got a journal. And some note cards. Oh my god, wait. This is so cute. I love my friend. Her stickers are really cute. I might keep this. Oh, the letter's intact, so maybe I will keep them. Oh, sweet. Actually, I like this like envelope so much that I might keep it. Or it's very aesthetic. What is this? Nice, thank you. Oh wait, this is cute. A little teacup. Okay, I like these. This is useful. This is cute. I like these types of gifts are always fun when there's a bunch of stuff in it. Okay, 3 more. I feel like this is like getting annoying. Oh, okay. Let's put my kombucha. Wait, it's so funny. The fact that there's a bag and it's like a gift card. $50 though? I love that. Wait, this is a really funny gift actually. And I literally don't know who gave it, but you know what? Thank you. Maybe the card fell out. Oh, not that one's gonna be last because it's the biggest. Oh wait, this is I already opened this. Oh, then wait, did I? Yeah. Okay, 2 more gifts actually. So this one. Whoa. Oh, this is the camera that I wanted. Oh my god, my friend got it for me. I'm really excited to try it because I always want to have like a film camera like this, and I can like start bringing like my pictures to new heights. And this is such a beautiful card. Like, tell me that is not amazing. Oh, this is really sweet. Okay, I guess I'll put this in here. The last, but not least, the biggest gift. Why is it so big? Oh, there's a card in here. Let me open it first. I don't think it's with that gift. I think I just ended up putting it in there. This is the worst, like, opening up with like. Okay. This is sweet. This is for me, right? It doesn't have my name on it. Oh, wait. Yeah, it is. $20 gift card, okay. Thanks. Okay. That was a different person. Let's open it up. This is mine, right? It actually might not be mine. Let me make sure it is before I start. Does it not have a card? Yeah, this one. Okay. Oh wait, this is really sweet. Murder mystery. Wait, this is gonna be fun. I love to use this. And then a little band and a mug. Sweet. Okay, that's all my gifts, so I'm gonna end the video here. But thanks so much for watching, guys. If you did watch this, hopefully it was entertaining. It was entertaining for me. Yeah, that's all. Bye.